Hi guys, sorry I've been gone for so long. I'm not planning on coming back anytime soon because I'm very busy with school, and let me show you what I've learned. So let me make the hypothesis that things wouldn't have color without light. So everyone's heard of Schrodinger's cat, and I feel like we never really knew what that meant. Like, yes, it makes sense, but not like when you apply. Like, it's actually supposed to be applied to quantum theory. It's like, so it's actually about electrons and like photons. It's basically about the uncertainty principle. So when a photon, a ray of light, hits an object, the electrons in that object will get excited, absorb the energy, or like absorb the photon, and then release energy and move up energy levels. And like we see that as color because it releases a wave that it might have a visible wavelength. So what would happen if a photon didn't hit that object? So if I have a black car seat, is it still black in the nighttime? I mean, I can't see because like we can't see it. So things change when they are observed because light is hitting them, and things change when they absorb energy, which is light. Light is energy. So we can make the hypothesis, but we can't prove it, that stuff doesn't have color without light. We can assume because we know that when light hits an object, it releases waves that we see as color, but we won't be able to prove it because we can't see. When the lights are off, we can't see that this object has no color because we can't see. But if we turn the lights on to observe it, then the object will start emitting color because its photons are hitting it. Isn't that insane? Like, kind of crazy. Also, we don't know where electrons are. Like, it's also the uncertainty principle. Like, we can assume that there's electrons, and we know that there's electrons somewhere in an atom, but we don't know, we can't pinpoint exactly where they are, like on the Bohr diagram. It's not like on a circle or like on a ring. They aren't energy levels. It's just there's a higher probability that there's some places more than other places, but we don't know for sure.